guys, I'm Shell and welcome to another Web3 episode. So today, we will learn an amazing network called BNB and OpBNB. How it works, how they relate with each other, use cases, and some history. In July 2017, a new force emerged in the world of Web3, Binance. Founded by Changpeng Zhao or CZ, Binance along with its native token BNB quickly rose to the top of the centralized exchange market, and this initial rise stemmed from its launch as an early token on the Ethereum network, capitalizing on the burgeoning popularity of decentralized finance or DeFi. And on 2019, it migrated to the Binance chain, which was built on Cosmos Tendermint. However, this chain was largely used only for governance, voting, and validation. On September of 2020, Binance launched their second network, the Ethereum Virtual Machine or the EVM-compatible Binance Smart Chain or the BSC. And on February of 2022, Binance announced that Binance Chain and the Binance Smart Chain would be rebranded as BNB Chain, which stands for Build and Build. This was done to strengthen and further decentralize the protocol. And the most recent development is OpBNB, Binance's very own layer 2 scaling solution built on Optimism's OP stack. Now that we learned a little history of the Binance, let's know what is BNB Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain or the BSC is an EVM compliant layer 1 network that was developed when Ethereum's scalability issues were at their worst. The Ethereum network was still on the proof of work consensus algorithm, while BSC was using the proof of stake algorithm. This created a more adaptable and energy efficient network. BSC is significantly faster than the Ethereum blockchain thanks to a different consensus system and a few other changes. It supports application built on the Ethereum network by running an EVM type virtual machine and using the same contract language. The problem of layer 1. Layer 1 network like the BSC handle data and validation but struggle with peak congestion. This clogs the network, raising fees, slowing transactions, and frustrating users. To keep pace, these chains need better scalability, handling more transactions smoothly. One example, which we can see in the document of the BNB chain, a BSC game in 2021 processed over 8 million transactions, pushing its limits. So this resulted in a slowed transaction speed and higher fees. Look at the fees used, BNB fees spent. And that's when OpBNB was probably thought of. What is OpBNB? OpBNB is based on the Optimism OP stack, an open source code base that has been modified to suit BSC's requirement. It uses the optimistic rollup architecture, abstracting the execution layer into a separate layer, with the layer 1 being the BNB Smart Chain. This separate layer speeds up transaction and lower gas costs by processing transaction off-chain and posting transaction data back on the L1. Two problems solved: speed up transactions and the lower gas costs. How does OpBNB work? In a typical block production process, a traditional OP stack chain executes the transactions twice. This is how block mining works. Each block's execution can take hundreds of milliseconds because it is redundant. Instead of re-executing the transactions, OpBNB optimizes this by storing the results of the initial execution in the cache, reducing additional execution time during block production. OpBNB also uses asynchronous batch submission, which enables the batcher to submit batches of transactions without waiting for confirmation. This eliminates the bottleneck that results from submitting the following batch of transactions before waiting for confirmation. In conclusion, the new OpBNB chain gives the BNB chain ecosystem the ability to process more transactions per second than it could previously preserving the EVM compatibility that was essential to its initial success. Additionally, it will seamlessly integrate with the current BSC, allowing for the native use of ecosystem assets on layer 2. Furthermore, by utilizing the OP stack as the foundation, changes made to the code base will directly advance and benefit the development of OpBNB and vice versa. And do give it a try as OpBNB is live now on Mainnet. I hope that you found this content helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Web3 episodes. Thank you for watching!